Hi everyone! Welcome back to Raven's Journal. Ako si Raven, and this is episode 3 ng ating Pag-ibig Housing Loan Series. Kung sa episode 1, tinuruan ko kayo ng step-by-step process or application guide. At sa episode 2, ibinigay ko ang mga tips para mas mabilis ma-approve. Ngayon naman, gagawin nating mas madali ang buhay ninyo. Dahil ngayon, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-apply ng Pag-ibig Housing Loan online gamit ang virtual Pag-ibig. Yes, hindi mo na kailangan pumila, mag-commute, o mag-live sa trabaho. Pwede mo itong gawin kahit nasa bahay, nasa work, o kahit nasa abroad ka. Section 1, ano ang virtual Pag-ibig? Bago tayo magsimula, ano nga ba ang virtual Pag-ibig? Ito po ay official online portal ng Pag-ibig Fund. Dito ka pwede create or update your Pag-ibig account. Check contributions. Pay contributions and loans. Apply for short-term loan. At syempre, mag-apply ng housing loan. Safe, legit, at mabilis. Section 2, requirements bago mag-apply online. Reminder, kahit online ka mag-apply, kailangan mo pa rin ihanda ang basic requirements. Para smooth at tuloy-tuloy ang process. Dapat ready. Isang valid ID, passport, UMID, driver's license, etc. Employment or income documents. Your email and active mobile number. Scanned copies, PDF, JPG, ng proof of income, proof of billing, IDs, marriage contract kung married, at syempre, details ng property na ilo-loan mo. Once ready ka na, let's start. Section 3, Step-by-Step Tutorial, How to Apply Online. Step 1, punta sa website. Open your browser at i-search ang Virtual Pag-ibig. Makikita mo agad ang homepage. Click Login or Register. Step 2, Create an account. Kung wala ka pang Virtual Pag-ibig account, click Create Account. Choose with Pag-ibig Loyalty Card Plus. Or, without loyalty card, using MP2 or Pag-ibig number. Kung wala kang loyalty card, okay lang. Gamitin lang ang Pag-ibig MID number mo. Ganon din ang proseso para sa mga OFW. Fill out the information. Submit. Verify your email. Step 3, Log in. Kapag verified ka na, sign in using your email and password. Step 4, click Apply for a loan. Pag login mo, makikita mo ang dashboard. Click Housing Loan. Apply for a housing loan. Step 5, fill out the application form. Makikita mo dito ang personal information, employment, business details, property details, loan amount, loan purpose. Tandaan, dapat accurate and updated ang info para hindi ma-delay ang approval. Step 6, upload your requirements. Upload documents. Attach valid ID, income docs, proof of billing, property docs. Tip, mas mabilis ma-approve kapag malinaw, readable, at tama ang file names, example, id_raven.jpg. Step 7, Review and Submit. Pagkatapos mong i-check lahat, click Submit Application. May lalabas na reference number, screenshot or save it. Step 8, Wait for Pag-ibig notification. Pag-ibig will update you through email, text message, virtual Pag-ibig dashboard. Pwede rin nilang hingin ang additional documents. Kaya check always. Section 4, Pagkatapos ng online application, ano ang next? After mo mag-apply online, ang susunod ay property evaluation, background checking, income assessment, loan approval. That's why mahalaga na complete and updated ang documents mo. Quick recap before we end. Register sa Virtual Pag-ibig, fill out the housing loan form, upload documents, submit, wait for updates. Ganun lang siya kadali. Kung nakatulong ito sa'yo, Please like this video and subscribe para updated ka sa buong Pag-ibig Housing Loan Series. At sa episode 4, pag-uusapan natin Pag-ibig Housing Loan versus Bank Loan, alin ang mas okay, para malaman mo kung alin ang mas swak sa budget at pangarap mong bahay. Kaya huwag palampasin, stay tuned and don't miss the next episode. See you again sa Raven's Journal.